Hello guys, it's me, Natalie, and a little known fact about me, if you know anything about me at all, is I do not sleep. So my mom actually drank coffee throughout her whole pregnancy. That was like something she craved so much. And then when they had me, they would literally wake me up every 2 hours because they really didn't know how often I had to get fed. So my sleep cycle was forever damaged. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. So I literally don't sleep. So I was roaming through the World Wide Web when I came across all these items on Amazon, which are specifically catered for people that do not sleep. So I thought, what better way to test these out than with someone that literally can't sleep for nothing to save her life. And I don't even drink caffeine. Click this button to be notified of future uploads, and if you click that little bell, comment below which item of these you think is the coolest, and I will actually be sending one of these your way so that way you can also test it out yourself. So just comment below and then you guys can literally get it. I'm gonna be picking one special person to send it off to. That way you can test it out yourself. But wait, before we get on into this products, I just want to share something really special that's happening right now on this channel, which is IOT Squad memberships. So what exactly are memberships? Membership is the little button that you see down below that says join right next to subscribe. If you click on it, it's a way for me to engage more deeply with you guys by not only giving you guys exclusive content at least once a month or more. They know it's a surgery. This is where the magic happens. This is where I'm gonna be recording today.
You don't have to be perfect.
This is Alejandro. So last time we said he was single.
I'm still single, but
Exclusive content. Like my sister now, she's pregnant. It's like a lot of other really cool behind the scenes stuff. Also doing live streams where I get to engage with you guys personally every single month and just chat with you and tell you guys all the behind the scenes, the tea, the good stuff, the things that's happening, the feuds, the drama. Because there are some drama. Not only that, but you guys also get IOT Squad discount codes to my merch. And of course, IOT Squad only community posts where you guys get to unlock secret pictures, secret things, secret projects. Literally, you are the first to know. So if you're interested, make sure you click down below and click that join button. I'm so excited. We also have custom emojis, not only of myself, but of Rosalina, of Jupiter, of Beauty Busters, and there's just so many exciting things coming over there. So become an IOT Squad member, and if you've already done that, make sure you comment below hashtag notification squad. And if you are already a member, make sure you comment below hashtag IOT Squad member. So let's get on into the product. So product number one, this is what we call a steam eye mask. Now I just want you guys to know, my cousin was the one that literally got all these products because
she knows my struggle with sleeping.
And I have not seen any of this before, so I don't even know what this is. So it's kind of like a first impressions for you, for me. We're gonna be checking this out together. But pretty much this is what it says. It's a steam eye mask, helps provide the recharge you need after a long day of using digital devices, which I use this all the time. I need this. Steam product formed the comfortable heat of 104 Fahrenheit, moistens and soothes tired eyes. In just 10 minutes, you'll feel rejuvenated and rested. They say that this is convenient for anytime, anywhere. We shall see. Honestly, my only real concern with this is I never thought that steam made your eyes feel more relaxed. I always thought, oh wait, no. It's ice that makes your eyes depuffy, so this might actually work. Place white colored eye on mask, leave on for just 10 minutes. So prior to doing this, I wanted to look on Amazon to see what other people's reviews on this product are. Also, look how cute the little Natalie's Outlet stickers are. You guys can get them at nataliesoutlet.shop. They're so cute. I want to come up with more stickers. This product not only soothes the nerves to help you fall asleep, but it's kind of like a product where right before you go to sleep, you take a nice shower, you get ready for bed, you put this on your eyes, you relax yourself for 10 minutes, and then bam, you're supposed to sleep. Let's look at the bad reviews because I'm always interested. Not hot enough. Portable and great for travel, but they did not get warm enough. Best product ever. I am an allied health student that has some very early morning reports to hospitals and late night studying. When my eyes are so tired, I can hardly keep them open. I take 15-minute break with one of these and I feel so relieved. Overall, people are saying really great stuff about it. There's a lot of really positive. All right, so let's do this for ourselves. All right, so here we go. These are the little foil packages. Gonna open this bad boy up. So this reminds me of period warming pads. I have one that I can give to you guys. Comment below if this is one that you want. But be sure you're part of the family first by subscribing and clicking that little bell. I'll give you guys 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Did you do it? Comment below hashtag notification squad. Anytime you guys comment hashtag notification squad, I will be doing a shout out. Today's shout out goes to this lovely person right here. Thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful family. I love you so much. So if you want a shout out in the next video, just comment below hashtag notification squad and make sure that you're here in the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. How do you do that? By subscribing and by clicking this little bell right here. That way YouTube notifies you of new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Oh my God, this is getting so nice and warm. I'm gonna put this on. I tear this off. Ooh, oh my God, this feels,
Oh my God.
this literally feels amazing. Okay, I'm shook. So I'm just gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. I literally want to fall asleep right now. I don't know what it is, but it just makes you feel like all warm and fuzzy inside. That was so amazing. It literally felt like my eyes took a little nice warm bath. Exactly how it's described in the product. I honestly want to give this product to like my mom, my editor. It is amazing.
It looks like period patches.
10 minutes.
I feel extremely weird.
My husband. Try one on right now.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Spin me.
You're too heavy.
Hey.
My sister, like, it is so good. I could totally see myself using this. I love this. I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna put this right next to my bedstand. I could totally see myself falling asleep with this, like 100%. Oh my gosh, even for your head, honestly. There is multiple ways of using this. If you have a little headache, it's so nice and warm. This is amazing. I'm literally gonna fall asleep. This is the weighted blanket. This is a blanket that weighs 15 pounds, you guys. And the idea is that it's supposed to make you feel like something is like hugging you. Supposedly when you sleep with things that are on top and make you feel weighted, you tend to sleep more soundly and more nicely. This literally is like a big giant hug. I guess it's perfect for people that are lonely like me. So I'm really curious to kind of open this up, but also just look online and see, you know, what people are saying. This is, wow, it's nice. It feels kind of like sand. It's like sandy. It has this quilted style, as you can see right over here. So it says, first, you're supposed to choose a blanket that is 10% of your body weight plus 1. So this will give you the sensation that someone is holding you. It's designed in a way that allows the blanket to form and shape around your body while you sleep. Interesting. I feel like this is the perfect blanket for me because Dennis is constantly playing games super late at night. I go to sleep much earlier than him, and I just like
Be cuddled and like be with someone.
so I feel like I'm gonna be making a good use out of this since now he's doing his gaming channel, and gaming, you guys, is like so tough. Has a unique 7-layer system for your adaptation to your body shape. Very interesting. $89. Holy macaroni, this is expensive. Wow, but the reviews are really good. People are saying, buy this now. I have struggled with chronic fatigue for months. I've been diagnosed with health issues that cause me restless sleeps. It's awesome. Now, if only I could get my dog to stop stealing it. Oh my God, that is
So cute.
so I'm super excited to try this out. Comment below what you guys think about this. Have you ever heard about this product? Honestly, $89 is very expensive, but if this helps you go to sleep, girl, I will pay anything. This is the 15-pound blanket. Oh my goodness, this thing is so heavy. It sounds like little sand. Like so heavy, like I'm literally hunched over because of it. I don't really get why anyone would want to sleep with this. I'm just like, do I really want something that's 15 pounds on me?
I'm out of breath right now.
This kind of just fell to like the figure of my body. That's kind of the idea. It's supposed to hug you. I feel like I can't really breathe. But I like this. It feels like I'm being tucked into bed, which is quite nice. Handsome, come here.
Okay.
So this is supposed to help for like anxiety.
Anxiety? It
Yeah.
would make me more anxious.
I don't know what I feel, but it's supposed to make you feel like a hug.
It doesn't feel like 15 pounds. It feels like less.
Well, it's
be
supposed to be
completely honest.
breathable and stuff like that.
I feel like dogs would like it. Just because like it would help with like the thunder.
Let's go
kinda
try it
thing.
out on Jupiter. By the way, you guys, we are currently in the new studio. So nice to not have to work from home. If you guys want a tour, let me know down below by commenting studio tour, and maybe we'll make it happen. Okay, Jupiter. So I'm about to show you something amazing. Good boy. I think this is gonna be great, especially like Jupiter, who's so scared of thunder. It's gonna make him feel like he has someone on him. Does he look happy? You feel like someone's hugging you? A lot of the comments actually said that their dogs would always steal this from them. I could see him liking this. Oh God, it's just pure slobber. Okay, guys, for this next one, I'm actually scared. Bed of nails.
What?
And why did my cousin get me this? What is the bed of nails? Bed of nails is an acupuncture mat, a self-treated tool that helps the body rid itself of toxins by stimulating energy. Wow, so you can actually lay on it on your chest.
Ow.
It's supposed to increase energy level, reduce stress and anxiety, relieve tension and muscle aches. I do believe that. Revitalize, rejuvenate, improve skin complexion, reduce blood sugar, relieve constipation.
Wow, this is a lot of promises.
So this item is prime, which is nice. It is $43.89. Okay, kind of pricey, kind of not. I'm curious to check out this video that they have about it.
Bed of nails.
I'm curious to see what people have to say about this product. It's a 4.1 out of 5. Seems pretty good. I'm always curious to know what the negatives are. Let's see the negatives first. Bought to relax neck muscles, does nothing. I thought after reading such great reviews, this would be great for my neck, but it doesn't do any different. Your neck may spring a leak. Plastic circles with the nails are just like the real nails, way too harsh on the neck. I'm also a little bit concerned about that. What if you have like an open sore or something like that? I mean, I'm sure you shouldn't use it.
But how do you clean this?
Bed of nails, it works. Happy to see it, but my back pain comes back all the time. I mean, duh. Okay, let's go to the positive. Already addicted, I was optimistic but skeptical when I purchased it. 2 people in my family get migraines and I have insomnia, so I thought it would be worth a shot. As I was very desperate to avoid medications and have been really surprised on its effectiveness. Okay, really cool. This thing is awesome. awesome. I bought this. I read a lot of positive reviews on it. I have neck and shoulder tightness and pain almost every day.
As do I, honey.
I'm just kind of curious to know what this is gonna be like. It feels very zen. And just so you guys know, if this is the product that you actually want, I will be purchasing a completely new one. I'm not gonna be giving you like gently used one. No. I will be purchasing a brand new one just because I feel like this is very personal. Let's try it out. Okay, so we're gonna be testing out the bed of nails. Now I have to say this one has me
Freaking out right now.
because it is so sharp. Every time I go like this, just for 1 second, ow.
Won't it ruin your sweater?
Maybe, right? But I honestly can't feel it as much here. Oh, it doesn't hurt at all. This actually feels really good. But for some reason, every time I touch it,
It hurts.
it's quite nice. So honestly, this is quite nice. I thought it was going to be much more painful, but I actually like the feeling of these little pricks right here. It's not bad at all. So this one looks really, really beautiful and really
Cool, like,
I'm not even sure what this is. It says remote control ocean wave projector nightlight. So it looks like this. It looks majestical. Like, I feel like this would be a cool little gadget for photography pictures, but check it out. It has songs. It's supposed to give like a really nice relaxing vibe. It's called a Weird Beast and it is basically a sleep projector. So this product is supposed to be helpful for those that have trouble sleeping because it keeps the room really dark while still adding a little cozy effect to the bedroom. It actually has 7 adjustable light modes. It also has a remote control that you could use. You can also insert a memory card or your phone and play your own type of music, your own type of vibes for a really nice sleepiness night. And it also includes soothing sounds like the ocean, birds, water, and insects. So I think this is really cool. I used to have little night lights like this all the time when I was a little kid because like I said, my parents knew I just had trouble sleeping. They're like,
come on, girl.
oh, so it is called the Weird Beast. I think I might have gotten a chipped off one because mine doesn't say Weird Beast on it like it does on this. What happened here? I don't know. It is $24.99. It also has 4 built-in music systems. Now we're gonna take a look at the reviews, see what people have to say. Wow, this actually has a 4.1 stars. That is very high. It has 151 reviews, but as always, let's go down to the bad reviews. So people are complaining that there's no power supply, AC, or battery.
Okay, that does kind of suck.
1 star. It played out fast and started making weird sounds. I'm curious to see what the positive reviews are because
That got me heated.
this little gadget is pretty cool. I bought this for my daughter who loves little gadgets, has a hard time falling asleep in her own room without me. My daughter loves it. That's like me with Dennis.
I have a hard time falling asleep without him.
I've never had a projector light before. I've always wanted one and it's helped my baby fall asleep on her own. So I think this is kind of like for the everyday person that they don't like bright lights on. They can't sleep with the light on, but they're afraid of the dark. So it's kind of like an in-between. It's like a really nice whimsical type of thing. So I'm really excited to try this out. Are you guys ready? Let's go. I think I'm about to turn it on and the magic's supposed to happen. Ready? Oh! Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. I believe there's music involved. Okay, so clearly that is a problem. Not all phones will have a
Jack anymore
because this is old. All the features, check them out.
What the heck?
Oh my god, that's too much.
That's
like a party.
That'll give someone epilepsy real quick.
I know. I actually really like this, not so much for the bedroom, but more for a bath. Because I take my baths very seriously, you guys. I give it like a 2.5. What do you guys give it?
Out of 10 or out of 5?
Out of 5.
I'll give it a 1 just because it does light up. But besides that.
What do you guys give it? Comment below. All right, so this I'm actually super excited about. I never knew such thing existed. This is the Toy Light. Your toilet will never be the same. That is what my toilet is gonna look like. This is so freaking cool because how many times have you guys woken up in the middle of the night and you gotta go to the bathroom? Those pees always wake me up, and so you gotta get up and you can't really see much, and then like your toilet, you gotta turn on the light and disturb the person if you're with someone, or it just like blinds you. So I think this is a really cool little gadget. It comes in 8 different colors and it is just super cute. It's motion censored and it is a waterproof. So let's check out the reviews. I'm really curious to see what people think about this. So this bathroom light is $11.99, not bad at all. It comes with a bunch of different colors, which is really nice. It is motion activated, fits any toilet. It seems pretty easy to like maneuver and all that stuff. So as always, let's go down to the bad reviews. Overall, it has a 4.2 out of 5 stars, very good, but this definitely has the most 1 stars that we've seen out of any of the products that we've tried today. It works for a few months and then dies. So cool when it worked, but after a few months of the colors stopped working and now nothing works. And yes, I've changed the battery. Waste of money.
That is not a good sign.
Handy at 3 a.m. for 2 days. So it looks like this person also had trouble with it working, literally stopped working after 2 days, that she changed her 4-star review to a 1 star. That is not good. As for the 5-star reviews, people are saying, my son has peed on the floor much less since adding this light to his toilet.
That is good.
Solid use. I'm glad I bought this light. So a lot of people are really happy with it. I'm just kind of curious to know, okay, so how long is this gonna last me? Let's try it out. Okay guys, so we have our toilet light. I honestly have no idea how to do this. All I know is This is bendable. So I'm guessing this goes inside the toilet. I'm about to touch this toilet. So I'm guessing it goes like this. Oh yeah, toilet. So as you can see right over here, we could change the light color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. You're waking up from bed, you're about to go to the bathroom, and then BAM! Toilet party. And then you get to go to the bathroom. Yeah. All right, so this is our next little product. It's like so cute. It's called the Luma, the mobile phone nightlight. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so pretty much when you turn on your phone's flashlight, this is supposed to turn on its own. So it's kind of like a cute way that anytime you're up, you have to go, let's say, drink some water at night or go to the bathroom at night. Now we also have a little mobile night light. I'm excited to see how it works out. If it's as cute as it looks, comment below what you guys think. Will it be yay?
Nay.
All right, so this little bad boy actually has a 3.9 stars out of 5 stars. Definitely the lowest out of all the products. It is $11.97.
It's okay.
I'm curious to see what people have to say about this. For the bad ratings, actually there's no 1 stars, there's just 2 stars. It's too small to stay on. Interesting. As for the 5 stars, works on iPhone XR, really cute little lamp that fits my iPhone just great. So it looks like a lot of people honestly haven't tried this. There's only 8 reviews, so we are gonna test this out myself.
This is really cute. Love it.
So pretty much what you do is you just place your little light right on top of where the flash would go. Bam. And then all you have to do is just turn your flashlight on.
Are you ready for magic?
Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. Check it out. So then you're just like waking up, you're about to go pee again. You have your cute little light and bam, party in the bathroom. Comment below if you guys want this. This is so cute. It's much better than waking up to this. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's sleep gadgets video. I really hope these products give you a little idea on maybe products that will help you fall asleep. I know some of these are honestly gonna help me so much. I mean, that little eye mask, I loved it. It was perfection. If you want to see more videos on how to fall asleep or how to wake up earlier, I have a huge playlist down below you guys can check out in the description, or you can click this little eye right over here. If you're not a part of the family, I invite you to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button and turning on that little bell right there. For more exclusive content, you guys can now join the IOT Squad memberships by clicking the join button down below. We would love to see you back there. It is literally like a secret squad, okay? You are unlocking the secret code to Natalie's outlet. Like, you are entering into my world. I hope you guys have an amazing day. As always, don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.